Are you ready to file cases before the prosecutor, refer the case or cases to the, with the prosecutor's office?
Yes, sir. We are now filing appropriate case against the identified six persons
Yeah.
in Manila Arena, and we'll be filing kidnapping with serious illegal detention, punishable under Article 267 of the Revised Penal Code.
Just so we are understood by the victims' families, ano, you cannot anymore conduct arrest based on Rule 113, di ba? Citizen's arrest. It's no longer proper
Yes, sir.
to pursue these
It will
people and
be-
arrest them. You have to wait for the issuance of the corresponding warrants of arrest.
Yes, sir.
Kung magkakaroon ng warrants of arrest.
Yes, sir.
In the meantime, you will refer these cases before the prosecutor's office and let the preliminary investigation proceed, di ba?
Yes, sir. That will be filed regularly before the
Direct filing.
City Prosecutor's Office of Manila, sir, and there will be preliminary investigation to be conducted, and subpoenas will be sent
Yeah.
to the identified six suspects.
Yeah.
And,
Summons na lang ang tatanggapin nila from the prosecutor.
yes,
Para
sir.
maintindihan ng mga victims' families, baka isipin nila, walang ginagawa yung PNP. Because you're not authorized under the law, under the rules of court, to conduct arrest at this point in time.
Yes, sir.
Hindi na applicable, hindi ba?
Yes, sir.
Para maliwanag sa kanila.
Yes, sir.
So immediately, what you're telling us is you're filing cases against these people who are properly identified and positively identified, di ba?
Yes, sir. Positively
you're-
identified by a witness
And properly identified.
and properly identified.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Any more? Okay ka na?
That's our update, sir, on the investigation, sir.